joint disease, heart problems, breathing trouble, poor circulation, endocrine and hormone disruption, digestive problems, headaches, anxiety, TMJ, prediabetes, and even vision problems. In the UK, there are estimates that 70% of the workforce suffers from back pain. In the US, estimates are roughly 50% of the population suffers from back pain, likely due to poor posture. There's an opioid epidemic going on throughout all the developed countries, and one of the number one reasons for being prescribed an opiate is back pain. And one of the number one causes of back pain is poor posture. Not to get too trippy on you, but go ahead and take a look at your seemingly still hand. And if your eyes could do what scientific technology is doing today, you'd be able to amplify what you're seeing 10 billion times. And that'll get you down to the atomic scale, where you'll notice that nothing is still. Everything is moving and spiraling. Then if you were to amplify it 1 trillion times, you'll get down to the quantum scale. And this is a whole different ball game. Quantum phenomena underlies the physical world. You could rightly say that it is the fabric that all of our physical world is built upon. But it does not seem to have to obey the time-space rules that our physical world does. So how is it that the basic building blocks of our physical world can behave so differently? Well, let's take a look at a film called Inner Worlds, Outer Worlds, as they address quantum experiments that are looking at that very question.
International researchers at CERN, the European Laboratory for Particle Physics, are searching for this field that extends throughout all things. But instead of looking within, they look to the outer physical world. Researchers at the CERN laboratory in Geneva, Switzerland, announced that they had found the Higgs boson, or the God particle. The Higgs boson experiments prove scientifically that an invisible energy field fills the vacuum of space. CERN's Large Hadron Collider consists of a ring 17 miles in circumference, in which two beams of particles race in opposite directions, converging and smashing together at nearly the speed of light. Scientists observe what comes out of the violent collisions. The standard model cannot account for how particles get their mass. Everything appears to be made of vibration, but there is no thing being vibrated. It is as if there has been an invisible dancer, a shadow, dancing hidden in the ballet of the universe. All the other dancers have always danced around this hidden dancer. We have observed the choreography of the dance, but until now we could not see that dancer.